I'm going to show you how to make a sunflower out of fun foam. We want to make some long, sort of skinny petal shapes, about 10 of these, like this. And the fun foam is very easy to cut. You can just go right down a strip. If you want, you can fold the fun foam in half and make 2 petals at once. You can even try folding it in 4 times. It gets a little bit harder to cut, but it's still very soft, and you can definitely cut 4 at once. You may have to trim them up a bit. And we want to have 10 petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we'll cut 2 more. You want these to be sort of long and skinny with a point on the top. If any of your petals don't have the point, you can trim them up easy enough like that. Okay, now if you line them up in a row, any smaller petals that you happen to have, you put on one end of the row, and the larger ones you put on the in the beginning, and just go through and cut about 1 inch up on each petal. Next, we're going to be putting the petals onto a skewer.